Hey there, worried about overdraft fees? Setting up Chase Overdraft Protection links another account to cover transactions if your checking account runs short, saving you costly fees. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to set it up. Log into your Chase Online account and go to your checking account settings. Look for Overdraft Protection and select Manage. You can link your Chase savings account, credit card, or a line of credit as a backup funding source. If your checking balance is too low, funds will automatically be transferred from your linked account to cover the transaction, usually for a small transfer fee that's less than an overdraft fee. My crucial pro tip: link a savings account as your first line of defense. This is usually the cheapest option. Just remember, federal regulations limit certain types of withdrawals from savings accounts to 6 per month, so this is best for occasional protection, not regular use. That's a smart safety net that prevents embarrassing declines and expensive fees. Do you use overdraft protection, or do you prefer to just monitor your balance closely? Let me know in the comments. For more guides on avoiding bank fees, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.